finally, a road that we've never been on. Yeah! Uncharted territory. We've never been on this part of the road before. Woo! Let's fucking go. There's a little beach down there. There's a little bitch down there. There's a little bitch right here, mate. Hey! Yeah. Kingston, we're on our way. We will be inside you shortly. Get lubed up and get ready to go. Stick it out the window. Don't get in the middle. They'll be inside of you. Mum and Dad. I'll be swimming in the bedroom. Fucking bastard right up my jack seat.
Where are we right now?
In Breadtown.
Entering the little beach. Oh, that's cute.
Well, my buckle makes impressions on the inside of her thigh. There are little feathered Indians where we tussled through the night. If I'd known she was religious, then I wouldn't have came stoned to the house of such an angel who fucked up to get back home. Looking over West Virginia, smoking spirits on the roof. She asked, ain't anybody told you that them things are bad for you? I said, many folks have warned me. There's been several people try, but up till now there ain't been nothing that I couldn't leave behind. Hold me close, my dear. Sing your
Hi guys, I'm so excited for the Mirror Lakes. He's running. Oh, I better run. Doing some autistic ritual. That's where we're going. There's a duck. Oh, the Mirror Lakes are mirroring. It's a good day.
Here we find the most beautiful creature of all of New Zealand. Rubbish. Take it with ya! It's not on, is it?
Take it with you. Clear reflections on a still day.
I'll be the fucking judge of that, mate. I'll be the fucking judge of that.
I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at it. Isn't it so cute? Is it good?
Right. Give it like a
Oh yeah.
6.7 on a good day.
Wow. You heard it. This is a 6.7.
It's just water, really, though, isn't it? Right, you can get that in Chippenham.
You've got to be joking.
I mean, don't get me wrong, you're not surrounded by those, but it's just water. Like, the mountains are the better part.
My dream's been crushed with that attitude.
Fucking crush all your hopes and dreams now. You've got nothing left. Not even a fucking poster pitting. Poster pitting? A poster pitting is what I was supposed to say.
You messed up my insult.
Shut up, you slag.
He's like this all the time. Oh my god.
I ate me crusty bread.
You get that in Chippenham, those little fishes.
It's pretty clear, isn't it?
Yep.
Nothing to live for. I've got bags under my eyes.
The dragon.
Oh my god, look at that mushroom.
Oh my god, that's cute.
That's as far.
Mushroom interlude.
Hi, welcome. Glad you could come. Please admire nature. whilst you're at it, you could admire Mike.
I took a bite out of a leaf.
Actually,
Yeah, well, I mean, animals do it. I wanted to see what all the rave was about, you know?
that's the bite you took. I'm gonna piss myself.
It's not good. Why did I eat it?
It's not good.
Get yourself to Burger King, man. You'll piss yourself again, like you did the other day.
It's just fucking funny. What can I say?
Oh my god, I want to see one of those.
What's it?
Scary looking motherfucker.
Yeah, it's a bat. It's a bat.
I want to see one of those. Poosums. Taking a
Dreadful toll of nature's wildlife.
No, that says native. I'm dyslexic, alright, I can't read.
You're 13, you can't read. That's embarrassing.
Right, can we go to some waterfalls now? Alright, we're done now. We'll see you at the waterfalls. Goodbye. Oh, look, it's going to be a nice little bit of scenery on the right here. You ready? You ready? Whoa, that's so cool. I want to look at it.
It's
I also
cool.
don't want to drive off the edge.
I know. This is what sucks about the roads. Because you can't just stop.
You mean this is what sucks about being the driver? You're fine. You can have a little look wherever you look.
I tried driving and we didn't like it.
I'm telling you now, if you were driving right now, I would be having kittens in the passenger seat, my friend. Kittens.
And then we'd have kittens.
They wouldn't be kittens, they'd be fucking brown dogs, mate. Shitting myself.
Do you think you'd actually shit?
No, but I probably wouldn't feel very well. Parking, no buses. Is there a thing to look at?
Is there a thing? There might be a thing!
Oh, this looks cool.
This looks good. Get me out!
Yay!
Bitch, let's go!
We haven't found any waterfalls yet. We did find this.
We found this. Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh.
Battery doesn't last very long on this thing, look at it.
Shit.
It's already under half.
You were fully charged earlier. We play that. We play that.
No waterfalls today. We've got some water. It's fucking green though. Cute. Home for the night. See you tomorrow. Hopefully for some waterfalls. Good morning. Welcome to pancake making with me. It's too thick. Needs more water, I think.
Look at the setup. And the sugar I stole from McDonald's. Oh, she's thick.
Disgusting.
This is the drive. Oh my god, look at the stream. Guys, he's excited, he's just run out the car. Let's go.
It's not a waterfall, but it is water that is moving at rapid speed. Hopefully I do not fall. Are you ready? Are you ready for what I'm seeing right now?
Softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you. Be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you.
Moss.
Moss, mossy, mossy moon.
My friend's dog's called Moss. It's
My friend's dog is dead.
It's not.
It is now. I killed him. Look at the water, look how blue it is. So blue.
See how cold the water is. It's colder than the lake where we live. Oh, it's
We've gone to see some waterfalls finally.
can't wait. He's so excited. Whoa, it's like blue. Whoa. I love this little camera because then we get to record everything we see. We can just record all the fun things that we see. Wholesome little vlog videos.
Oh, look at that. That's a lot of water.
Wow, that is. Literally, look at this. I'm gonna die. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa, it's insane. That's so crazy. Oh, look at this. Whoa.
So let's point out, yet again we have found more of New Zealand's wonderful creatures. Rubbish, again.
Take it
Take
with
it
you.
with you! It's really not fucking hard, is it? Stupid cunts, a lot of you.
Should we empty it and take the rubbish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or empty over there. I do not want to contaminate New Zealand's waterways.
Oh, isn't he an angel? That's a good boy. Thank you.
I've got the drone.
Drone footage. Let's go.
Well, my heart is sweating bullets from the circles it has raced, like a little feathered engine calling out the clouds for rain. I go running through the thicket.
We've lost the drone in the bush.
This bit maybe?
No, it's that.
Oh, do you see it?
No. We were tempting the battery and it didn't last. Should I take my shoes off?
No, that's going to be so cold.
Yeah, but we've got some footage but it's missing.
I don't know how to get to it though.
Same.
Thing, it's in the bush.
Oh
We're
my
safe. We're safe. It's in the bush.
It's in the bush.
We're good.
Oh for God's sake.
Oh, right, let's
So
watch
like
it.
that bit there.
Let's watch it back.
Let's watch it go down.
See where it went.
I don't know what to do. Whee! Rescue mission.
It's going to be so cold.
You've got this. It's so cold.
Oh my god, it's freezing! Ow!
What just happened to you then? How do you feel? How do you feel that basically the government showed up?
Cold, wet. Department of Conservation.
The people we were supposed to pay for camping.
Don't say that. They need to think that we paid for camping. We tried to, but we didn't have a pen. We couldn't write our details. We had the money. Yeah, they turned up as I was walking through the river. Had to get the drone. It's $300 worth of drone. I'm getting it. I don't care.
Yeah, I wasn't going to leave it either.
I just got cold feet for 2 seconds. But we got the drone back. That's all that matters.
Yeah, and a video of it just going slowly into the bush.
Which you will see now.
About to go through the tunnel.
Oh, look up there.
We're going in.
Going in the abyss.
Oh, it's like a single lane tunnel.
Oh, this is-
really fucked up.
I've got claustrophobia.
Oh my god, imagine if this just collapsed right now.
Stop it. like that.
Whoa,
This
so
is
cool.
terrifying.
Here it is.
Here it is. Whoa, coming in.
Sketchy.
Whoa.
Whoa, look up there. We just drove through that.
Yeah, that little hole in the mountain. This came out. It's a bit dark. Hello. Jungle. Jungle life. This is the native New Zealand bush.
I left my vape in the van.
Did you lock it?
Yeah.
Well, you're not going back for it.
Vape and fresh air instead.
Whoa! Loud.
There's like a thing like where you used to be able to walk across over there, and it's been taped off. So I reckon something's fallen and broken it,
Yeah.
and that's why this is as far as we can now go.
Fields of dead grass.
Dead grass.
Grass.
There's loads of grass on your ass. I thought.
Waiting for the boat.
It's taking fucking ages, mate.
We're getting
There's
attacked.
so many flies
You
everywhere.
saw it on the camera. Yo.
Careless through the thorns, just to hold her for a minute, though it leave me wanting more. Hold me close, my dear. Sing your whispering song softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you to be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you tonight.
In the spring of 1949, that's when I crossed the county line. It's there I saw in Seneca Creek a girl named Ruth who washed her feet.
Twiddle my stash. My stash is not to be twiddled with. Not to be twiddled with.
Was
The
around
size of the Empire State Building.
the
I've
fuel
seen
and
the
area
Empire State
here
Building.
of
It's
the
not
town.
double that. It's like 4 times that.
Yeah.
This
Same.
My
man's
name for
talking a load of
this
shit.
waterfall is
Crazy. Oh my god. finished at the boat trip now. Having lunch at 4 o'clock.
I was so fucking hungry the whole time. I'm alright now.
You had a weak moment.
A
Almost.
non-verbal moment.
This is lunch views. Ready for a drive? Whoa. Tempting the drone again. He loves doing it over the water. Drone is successful.
We didn't lose it this
We
time.
didn't lose it.
Didn't lose it. Thanks, mate.
I told her my name was R.C. Ferris, that I'd marry her with half a care. She said I do, but no stone can reach the prettiest shine of this here cream. The mud was deep and the roads were wide. We'd retreat and then retake the lines. Korean winters had torn me down and killed all the boys from my hometown. But I'm coming home, Ruth, my dear.
Mistletoe lap.
To Mistletoe Lake.
We're gonna kick under the mistletoe lake.
We didn't bring mistletoe with us. We're going to put our heads under the lake, with our goggles
I have
on.
goggles in my backpack. I told
Yeah.
you, always travel with goggles. You never know when you're going to need them. Mushrooms.
This is the lake.
Wasn't worth the walk.
It was only 5-minute walk.
Back uphill. I have to use energy. We haven't had a wash in like 4 days. That's gross.
Through that.
Nepo baby! Right, come on in. Let's go.
Let's go!